Somewhere east of Kinshasa, right now, workers are breaking ground on a city that does not yet exist. 43,000 hectares of state land, 160 factories, a logistics hub on the Congo River, a marina, schools, hospitals, green space, a city designed from scratch, industry first, and the electricity to power it all. It is being harnessed from the most powerful waterfall system on Earth, 42,000 megawatts, twice the output of the Three Gorges Dam, sitting on the Congo River, waiting. This is heart of the future, and today we are talking about what the DRC is actually building. To understand why these two projects matter, you have to understand the problem they are solving. Kinshasa has over 16 million people. It is projected to become the largest city on the African continent by 2030. But that growth has been almost entirely unplanned. Only 21% of Congolese people currently have access to electricity, a country sitting on the greatest untapped hydroelectric resource on Earth, and only 1 in 5 of its own people can turn on a light. The result is a country that exports minerals to power the world's electric vehicles, while its own capital experiences daily power cuts. The Congo River represents the single greatest untapped hydroelectric resource on the planet. Grand Inga is not one dam. It is a series of hydroelectric projects, 42,000 megawatts at full capacity. On June 3, 2025, the World Bank Board of Executive Directors approved a $1 billion Inga 3 development program. This is not just money. It is the moment the project becomes real. On December 22, 2025, President Tshisekedi laid the foundation stone for Kinshasa Kia Mona, the new Kinshasa, 43,000 hectares to accommodate up to 5 million people. Total investment, $50 billion. The guiding principle, industry first. 1,200 factories across 8 industrial parks. It is explicitly designed as a smart city, resilient, green and connected. The era of urban improvisation is over. You cannot run 1,200 smart factories without reliable electricity. They are two halves of the same blueprint. The DRC is applying the same logic as the Tennessee Valley Authority or Shenzhen. Inga 3 supplies the power. Kinshasa Kia Mona supplies the demand. If the DRC can process its minerals domestically, it captures the entire value chain. That is an economic superpower. A city of 5 million being built from scratch. A dam that could power an entire continent. Both underway, both real. The DRC is not waiting for the world to believe in it. It is building and inviting the world to show up. This is the architecture of a future that the DRC is designing for itself. And that is the most powerful story of all.